In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner as a comprehensive guide in just 5 minutes. To begin, ensure that you're logged into your Microsoft 365 account. If you're not, take a moment to do so, as Planner is an integrated tool within Microsoft 365 that helps you organize your tasks and manage your team's workflow efficiently. Upon logging in, you'll want to head over to the Planner app. Once you've clicked on Planner, you're presented with the option to create a new plan. This stage is straightforward. Start by giving your plan a descriptive name that reflects the project's purpose or the tasks you'll be managing within it. An added bonus of Microsoft Planner is the ability to link your new plan to an existing Microsoft 365 group or team, enabling easier collaboration and communication with colleagues who are already organized into groups. As you begin building your plan, you'll discover that Microsoft Planner offers various templates which can serve as a handy starting point, particularly if you're managing recurring projects. You can select an existing template or create one tailored to your specific needs. Next, it's time to break your plan into logical segments or phases using what Planner refers to as buckets. Think of buckets as categories or stages your tasks need to move through during the project lifecycle. Within each bucket, you'll further specify individual tasks, adding details such as task names, due dates, and the team members to whom these tasks are assigned. Assigning specific tasks to team members not only fosters accountability, but also enhances clarity about who is responsible for each aspect of the project. To keep everything on track, it's beneficial to establish start and due dates for each task. This approach ensures that everyone is aware of deadlines and can prioritize their work accordingly. Monitoring task statuses is another pivotal aspect of project management. In Microsoft Planner, you can easily track whether tasks are not started, in progress, or completed. Planner also offers the functionality to visualize your project's progress using charts, providing a quick overview of how well things are moving along. Incorporating documents or relevant files into tasks directly can greatly enhance task context and accessibility. For more detailed organization, use labels to categorize tasks based on criteria such as priority or project stage. This system allows you to filter tasks effectively, for example by due date or assigned member, and create different views that suit your workflow. Another helpful feature is viewing tasks on a calendar, which gives you a clear picture of schedules and deadlines. This visualization supports better deadline management and planning. Microsoft's robust charting capabilities provide further insights into your plans across various stages or buckets. The Planner Hub serves as a central overview of all your plans and tasks, streamlining accessibility across projects. To further integrate your planning, add your plan to your Outlook calendar, enhancing coordination and accessibility. Microsoft Planner is designed with team collaboration in mind, enabling members to collaborate efficiently on tasks, share progress updates, and even engage in chat discussions related to project tasks. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to use Microsoft Planner effectively, paving the way for successful project management and team collaboration.